Are you wondering what your dilution rate for your foam cannon of soap to water should be? If so, this is the video for you. I'm gonna make it super simple on a tool that you have in your home right now. So let's get to it. So, via YouTube analytics, 96.2% of you do not subscribe to my channel. So if you really enjoy this content and the simple ways I make it easy to understand what you should be doing to detail your car, hit subscribe right now and let's get into how to set up your soap or car shampoo to water dilution in your foam cannon. And it's super simple. It's going to be this one thing that you have in your home. It's right in your bathroom or medicine cabinet, if you believe it or not. So even if you're using like a simple basic foam cannon, it could be, and this one is clearly like super old. It could be something like that. It could be the Adams foam cannon, which is still a great cannon. I do use it from time to time. And my everyday cannon is my MJJC SV 3.0. Still love it, still creates amazing foam no matter what shampoo I'm using. The way you create foam in any foam cannon that you have has really to do with a couple things. And mostly it's the cannon you have, the way it's constructed on the internals, which we're not gonna get into today, and the pressure washer, the gallons per minute or GPM. Now, my method here I'm gonna show you today is how it works with a Karcher Cube, your entry level. It could be your Ryobi, it could be a Craftsman, whatever brand it is, or even a higher level pressure washer. It could be a Kranzel or an AR, or I happen to use a Comet Static pressure washer. This method is going to be the easiest throughout all of them. So here's the one thing that you all have in your medicine cabinet right now. So, you know when you have a cold or you need some NyQuil or Dayquil or whatever that cold medicine is, and it comes in a bottle, it's a liquid form, right? And on that bottle is the little itty bitty cup. It's this cup right here. I can almost guarantee you all of you have this in your home right now. And this is going to solve on how to create great foam with your cannon and pressure washer, because you can read all the instructions on the label of the shampoo. You can read the instructions on the foam cannon that you purchased, right? And it's never going to be the same. It's not possible to be always consistent across the board, if that makes sense. So this is going to be your constant. This medicine cup is approximately 2 ounces of liquid, okay? And every cannon is going to have a different amount of water that it allows. It could be 1,000 milliliters, which is most cannons. The new MJJC Pro V3, which I hope to get soon and do a review about it, exceeds 1,000 milliliters. So they're all going to be different. So what I want you to do is get whatever soap you like. It could be Adam's Blue Shampoo. It could be McGuire's Gold Class, which everybody loves. I've used it. It's a good soap. You can get it off the shelf anywhere. So whatever soap you're using, this method will work. And what you're going to do is, I want you to fill your bottle up, let's say, just shy of the maximum amount of water. Okay, so in this case, we'll call it 1,000 milliliters. And I'll just showcase this with the MJJC because the bottle's clear. So we're going to go to 1,000 milliliters, right, of water. And right now, at the time of this recording, it's cold out, so I would use warm water. Just grab some from the kitchen, or if you have a hot tap in your garage, even better. So fill it up, maybe just shy, or right around 1,000 milliliters. This is not scientific. We're trying to make it easy. Now, go grab the cup from your medicine cabinet, and I want you to fill it up pretty much all the way up to get to just about 2 ounces. And then you're going to pour it in, okay? Now, I know through my experience, I require around 3 ounces with 1,000 milliliters of water to get nice usable foam. I'm not talking about super dry shaving cream foam, because in my personal opinion, you don't want super dry shaving cream foam. you want it to be a little wet, if this makes sense, because you want it to cling to the panel and then pull down the contaminants as it falls off the car, right? So you don't want, that's why you don't want super dry foam. So what you're gonna do is fill it up, put in 2 ounces of soap, of your shampoo of choice, right? And then turn the dial, most likely all the way to the right. When you turn it all the way to the right, this dial right here, it's gonna draw the most amount of product from your bottle. And then, let's keeping things simple, we're not gonna change the orifice in here. Just leave it stock the way, however it is, right? Let's be mindful of all the variables we're gonna put into this. So now you have 1,000 milliliters of solution or water with 2 ounces of product, and then go at it. Spray it down, right? See if you like the foam. If it's not enough, you can either go a half a cup or a full cup to go to 3 or 4 ounces. Mix it up again, right? Don't shake it because you're just gonna make it foam. Just stir it around, you know, twirl it around like you would a fine wine, right? Get it up to where you want it to be, and then spray it down again. See if you like the foam. At that point, it's likely with 4 ounces, you're gonna like the foam, right? If it's too dry, you know to cut back maybe 50% of this. So maybe instead of the totality of 4 ounces, you cut it down to 3 ounces, right, on your next cleaning session. Just don't waste the product you have here, just use it up. So now you know how easy it is with this simple tool that you have in your home, a medicine cup from a cold remedy, to measure out water, to shampoo, to get great foam. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with everyone you know, and I'll see you on the next video.